Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Today we are going to discuss the MCQs of chapter 2, which is homeostasis. So the first question is, the human urinary system consists of option number A, rectum, lungs, kidneys, ureter. Option number B, kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder. Option number C, skin, liver, lungs, kidneys. Option number D, kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. The correct option is option number D, which is kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. Question number 2. Which organ is responsible for filtering the blood? Option number A, intestine. Option number B, brain. Option number C, stomach. Option number D, kidney. The correct answer is kidney. Option number D. Question number 3. The tube between the kidney and urinary bladder is option number A, ureter. Option number B, urethra. Option number C, renal tubule. Option number D, nephron. The correct answer is option number A, ureter. Question number 4. Body balance of water, salts, temperature and glucose is termed as option number A, excretion. Option number B, tubular secretion. Option number C, homeostasis. Option number D, reabsorption. The correct answer is option number C, which is homeostasis. Question number 5. Which is the correct order for the path taken by the urine after it leaves the kidneys? Option number A, urethra, bladder, ureter. Option number B, bladder, ureter, urethra. Option number C, ureter, bladder, urethra. Option number D, bladder, urethra, ureters. The correct answer is option number C, which is ureters, bladder, urethra. Question number 6. What is the function of ureter? Option number A, to store urine. Option number B, to carry urine from the kidney to the bladder. Option number C, to carry urine out of the body. Option number D, to remove waste from the blood. The correct answer is option number B, which is to carry urine from the kidney to the bladder. Question number 7. What waste products are excreted by the kidneys? Option number A, urea, water, salts. Option number B, salts, water, carbon dioxide. Option number C, urea and water. Option number D, urea and salts. The correct answer is option number A, that is urea, water and salts. Question number 8. The two main functions of the sweat are option number A, to keep the body cool and to remove excess proteins. Option number B, to keep the body warm and to filter the blood. Option number C, to filter the blood and to remove waste product. Option number D, to remove the waste product and to cool the body. The correct answer is option number D, which is to remove the waste product and to cool the body. Question number 9. Which would not be present in filtrate entering the Bowman capsule of the nephron? Option number A, water. Option number B, calcium ions. Option number C, blood cells. Option number D, urea. The correct answer is option number C, which is blood cells. Question number 10. During peritoneal dialysis, the waste material move from option number A, the abdomen to dialysis fluid. Option number B, the dialysis fluid to the peritoneum blood vessels. Option number C, the peritoneum blood vessels to the dialysis fluid. Option number D, the dialysis fluid to the abdomen. The correct answer is option number C, which is the peritoneum blood vessels to the dialysis fluid. So students, we are done with the MCQs of the homeostasis. Hope you understand all the questions. मैं मिलूंगी अपनी नेक्स्ट क्लास में एक नए लेसन के साथ. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.